we are supposed to calculate the perimeters of these sectors. Starting with the first one, you realize that this is a radius, this is another radius, and this is the arc. So for us to calculate the perimeter of that sector, it means we calculate the total distance from here all the way up to here plus this one here. The second case, the perimeter refers to the distance from here all the way up to here. So the formula for calculating the perimeter of a sector is given as perimeter is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r plus 2r, where theta over 360 times 2 pi r is the length of the arc, and then 2 times the radius is from the fact that we need to add this length and this one here, or this one and this one in the second case. So if we start with the first question, this one here, let us identify our theta. Our theta is the angle that subtends the sector. So in this case, the angle is 60 degrees here. And then r is the radius, the distance from here to here, which is 10 centimeters. So that means, therefore, perimeter will be given by our theta is 60 over 360 times 2 times the pi we are given is 3.142 times the radius being 10, and then we add 2 times the radius, which is 2 times 10 because our radius is 10. If you simplify that, you realize 60 cancels here once, it cancels here 6 times, 2 cancels here once, it cancels here 3 is. So if you multiply the whole of that, you will get 10.4733 recurring, then plus 2 times 10 is 20. When you add the 2, you get 30.473, which in 2 decimal places will be written as 30.47 centimeters. That's when we write it correct to 2 decimal places. Now for the second one, you realize that the angle that subtends this sector, this is the sector that we are talking about, this region here. The angle subtending it is this one, which we have not been given. But we know the whole of that angle is 360. So we subtract what we don't want, which is 80. We shall get what we want here. So our theta will be 360 minus 80, and that gives us 280 degrees. Our radius is 35. So we can say, therefore, perimeter will be equal to, our theta is 280 over 360 times 2 times pi. Our pi is 3.142, 3.142 times our radius. Our radius is 35. Then plus 2 times the radius, which is 35. Now if you simplify that, you will get 171.0644 And that's from the fact that this here and this one will cancel, then 4 will cancel here 7 times, will cancel here 9 times. And so if you simplify, you get 171.06444 for this one, then plus that 70, and that sums to, when you add this and this, you get 241.06444. In case you write it to 2 decimal places, it will be 241.06 centimeters. That is 2 decimal places. So that is the perimeter of the second sector.